For me, nothing's more important than my family. And I'm always wondering if my daughter, if she's naughty today, or if she already did her homework. But when I'm curious about that, what she's doing alone in her room, ZOSI is the perfect partner for me. Here you can full screen, you can zoom to watch the details of her room from wherever you are. And here you can straight away save the videos to your phone. Usually I like to screenshot some funny moments of my family. Additionally, you can play and back recordings again and again if you want. ZOSI is so friendly for all kinds of family.
Want to know whether the kid eats breakfast on time after you go to work? Miss your kitten when you're on a business trip? Wondering if grandma can take care of herself well in her single apartment? Have no idea what happened to your property when you enjoy the vacation? All these problems can be resolved easily if you have ZOSI security camera system. All you need to do is take out mobile phone and open ZOSI Smart app, which can be downloaded in Google Play or App Store. Comprehensive product line. ZOSI products include Smart Home Security, BOE Security System, Wireless Security System, 4-channel and 8-channel and 16-channel DVR, 1MP, 1.3MP, 2MP, 5MP, 8MP cameras, IP cameras, etc. Whatever you want, you can get from ZOSI. In association with Seagate and Skyhawk surveillance hard drive. Storage space, up to 6 TB. Powered by Amazon Website Service, Amazon Cloud Storage. Only 1 second to get the image. H.265 plus video compression. A new generation of video coding, combining Smart P and AVBR technologies. Cameras are an IP67 level. Withstand the toughest of outdoor conditions. Super HD cameras, image resolution, up to 8 PM. DVR support, 4K resolution. ZOSI, professional, reliable, and essential security guard in your life.